like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm excited for today's video. If you saw the Sephora haul that I just uploaded, then you know I picked up a bunch of products from the more, you know, luxurious high-end brands there that I really haven't experimented with that much. So I am excited for this video to see, like, you know, kind of what a full face almost looks like using all those brands. But if my brows are any indicator on how this video is going to go, I don't know, y'all, because I feel like they look very dark right now, like very dark. Mind you, this is after using concealer below and above that, but this is the first product that we have to talk about. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. It's her new Brow Cheat Brow Pencil. Now the thing is, I want to try this, but the shade I would normally use, which is more like a dark brown, was sold out. Maybe that should tell you something about the product. So I was like, you know what, I still want to try it though. So I went and I got natural black. And you know, like they weren't playing when they said this is the black shade. Okay, this is what its swatch is like. That's pretty black, and that's what it looks like on. You know, maybe I went in a little heavy-handed, not expecting that as well, you know, trying to be fair here. But the actual brow pencil itself is nice. Like, the product is pigmented. I like how it looks on. I might have to dabble with a different shade, or let's see what my face looks like by the end of this video with like a full face, right? Maybe more dramatic lashes. But let's see. So I am gonna use the Fenty Bright Fix in the color corrector shade, but I don't want to use too much, just because I think another reason that I probably haven't tried that many of the high-end brands is because from the few that I have tried, I find their deeper complexion products run like really orange red. So I don't want to use too much of this. So up first, we've got a new foundation to try. This is from Givenchy. It's their Prisme Libre Skin Caring Glow. I picked this up in the shade 6N 480. Fingers crossed that this shade works. Pretty packaging. You know, them neutral shades can either go the right way or they can really, really go the wrong. There's a little something smell there. But this might go the right way. Let's see, let's blend it out. Okay, let's see how we look by the end of the video. The next new product is from Dior. It's their Forever Skin Correct Concealer. I picked this up in the shade 6N. I was like, I know it's a neutral undertone shade. It's supposed to be a neutral undertone shade. I am supposed to film another video after this, so fingers crossed that this works out, because if it doesn't, I'm not filming it, so. This is the Danessa Myricks Evolution Powder, and I have the yellow shade. I'm just gonna set my face. Ooh. You just, oh, okay, that's how that works. All right, don't do that. Ooh. Now, if you're wondering about this big boulder I've been holding through the video, this is also from Charlotte. It's her bronzer in the shade 4 Deep. This is what it looks like. I wish Pat's blushes were in store by the time, or available at Sephora by the time I was doing this, but pretty sure they're still only available on her website. So I'll just have to do that in a different video, or use it somehow in a different video. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe the powder off. And then the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Shake it up a bit, see how it sprays. All right. It's got like kick to it, but not strong, like it's gonna hit you in the face type thing. So. Smell. It smells nice though. Not too strong. I don't smell it anymore. Too quick for me to figure out what it was. And then y'all know when my face is still somewhat wettish from the spray, I take a powder that's more my skin tone. This is from Dior. It's their 7N Neutral from their face and body powder. So I'm just going to dab. Oh, wait. I feel like she's kind of cream powder-ish, but I might have to swipe more than dab. Just go over my whole face. And then for my lips, I have this 721 Glitz Gloss from Dior. It smells sweet. These lashes are throwing up gang signs, but that is it for my face today. Listen, these brands might have done something. I said what I said on the brow pencil. I'll let you know if I keep playing around with this one or if I pick it up in a different shade, because I actually do like the formula and the look of this pencil. It's just the color that's kind of throwing me off a little bit. What else did I try? The foundation. She's giving me like, well, it's called Skin Glowing, something like that. It's giving me very summer foundation. The finish of it isn't dewy, but it's not matte either. It's like a glow type of natural finish. And I feel like the shade is giving me my, you know, summer shade foundation. So I might have to break this out. We're gonna see how it wears throughout the rest of the day. The concealer was giving me, oh, she looks like she's leaning more towards orange than neutral, but maybe it's also because of how I balanced it out with everything else on my face. The powder by Denessa, she was really light. Like, it's a very light powder. What's a light powder? If you ever tried the La Mer powder, what's another light powder? Of course, now they don't want to come to mind. But it's very light. You know, I was trying to pack it on and it's not really like, it wasn't giving, you can easily pack this on type of thing. So it might be more for, you know, more natural bead stuff like that. If you're heavy on powder, I'm just saying, like, you might have to use a lot, but nice finish. The color works out on my face. The bronzer, I don't know, you let me know if you feel like it bronzed me. You know, Charlotte has that whole, you know, airbrush flawless type thing. It's giving airbrush stuff like that, but I don't know if like the actual shade is doing anything for me. I'll keep you updated on that one. What else did I try? The gloss from Dior. Thick gloss. She is thickums, okay? I like the color of this. And it's thickums stick to the point where I feel like even if you do drink some and stuff like that, it's a gloss. So yes, it's going to come off, but it's pigmented enough and sticky enough that you'll still have gloss on your lips after you use it. And I like this color, so I'm gonna check out some of the other glosses from Dior. Oh, the setting powder from Charlotte. I like this finish. Again, like, it gives very airbrushed flawless, which is like how the other products from her give. So it's on brand. I like it. Again, we'll see if she actually helps my oily skin, especially since New York has not figured out if it wants to be hot or cold. Okay, yesterday I was sweating bullets, then this morning I was freezing when I woke up. But we'll see how my makeup actually holds up throughout the day. And I think that was all that I tried in this video. Oh, this powder from Dior. Like I said, I was kind of thrown off that it was kind of like one of those, I don't know, creamy to powder type of powders, but I like how it looks on though. So I'm actually liking my complexion today. Okay. Am I gonna dabble in some of these brands a little bit more? Maybe. I have to play around with these a little bit more to really sell me on them. Cause like, you know, there are some brands, you try a couple things from them and you're like, I already know, just throw it in the bag when they come out with something new, because I know from other things I've tried from them that I can trust other. We're not there yet, okay, but after I keep using some of this stuff, we might be. Like, and I was gonna say we might be there with Charlotte, but I didn't like the foundation that I tried from Charlotte, but we might be there. That is it for this video. I hope seeing me test out these products has helped. If any of you were thinking of checking them out for yourself, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah.